Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a trailer tow package. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet down here. Then looking into the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately, your truck info, so your power distribution, driver assistance settings and features, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk and your mirror controls here. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down, you have your hazards and then your physical media controls, as well as your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have 2 12-volt power outlets here, as well as 2 USBs down here, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode button, and your traction control shut off. Then you have your 4x4 controls and your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.